Delete that. I just want you to just fart in my face. I'm from there. You want to break? Let's say mommy. Yo, yes. Let me show you what I do to my baby. You want to, let me have it to your baby. I want you to breastfeed me. Come on, put the breast in my man. I'm gonna get my man. Yo, I ain't never seen a girl like you. She got me so hypnotized the way the body moves round and round.
That's my shit.
Yo, it's 2 o'clock in the morning, you know. Yo, why you came to my house the other day? Why I came by your house the other day and I called through the window, I hit the window. You just woke up to my, I'm asleep. I'm like, yo, you told me to come here late when the kids was asleep.
Who she talking?
Yo,
Fred, who house you went to? Oh, hers? Oh, excuse me.
How much she wanted me to rub her bubble bath.
Who is she?
Oh.
I'm gonna do more than rub. I'm gonna bend you over, mama, and give you what you need. Put this 10 and a half of your back. And my she got 2 heads, so we can both sit on it. And you don't love me no more? I'm tired. I'm gonna dismiss you.
You dismiss her, you gotta take Quint.
Yo, Quint got a fat ass too in school and different. Yo, she wasn't looking like that. Now she out there. He got that on picture too. Stop.
You know I am just fucking with you.
We went to school. Yeah, she wasn't looking like that. Now she all
Y'all went to school together?
She got an ass now. They got her titties like a fucking cow. Moo.
What kind of part is
You
it?
can feed all the African kids.
Yeah, but our sister's close.
You said all the African kids?
Yeah.
Yo, you was mad funny.
I don't know.
You not a rap? You not a rap? Beyonce, you not a rap?
Who did Excel? Me and one other person? Sign it back on the top line, please.
You know how to rap?
No,
You know how to rap. Stop lying. Tell the truth.
I sing.
So let me hear something, Beyonce.
Sign that. That's yours. Sign that side.
I can take it.
That's yours. You got to sign
Everybody
the
thought
other
she
one
was
I gave
dead.
you.
She
Yeah.
back.
And what about this?
Thank you.
Tupac couldn't even pull one of those. You made it? You better make sure he give you some money before you leave.
Watch me, we wanted to go lockdown. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Angie, I love you, Ange.
All in his face. Yeah, I'm just going in.
Have a good one.
Thank you, babe. Okay, let's go. Okay, I got my dollar right here. Let's go to take the pen. Hold up here. Give me a dollar.
I already asked her. She went him.
Yo,
Oh, this too.
how much is that right there?
That's $1.
Yeah, I want $1. Yo, right now, yo, let's do it. We can do this together. I get it. And the next one, share it with you.
Oh, you talking about the money?
Yo, let me know.
I ain't trying to go to the feds.
Yo, never put in a gun. What you talking about?
I'm just saying, I don't want to go. They got my fingerprints. They got my social. They got all my shit. They got all my information, so I ain't trying to go up.
Where's she running to?
What you doing, the moonwalk? Oh. Yo. They call me Mac with the cheese. Huh?